Now I've got these bits of wood we found when we were in Scotland, just little bits of driftwood, but I do want to mount my little mushrooms on here, so just going to shift these out of the way. So I've got that to put back on as well, haven't I? Right, hang on. Right, I'm going to have to make myself a form of plinth because I don't have one. I can't remember what I've done with my plinths at all. So I'm going to take some cardboard, put the two pieces together, cut my shape out. That's that. Put these bits in the bin. I might just glue this together using tacky glue. No, I have some glue somewhere already made up. I'm not sure if the hole is big enough. And then, oh God, put that to wash, otherwise it'll dry. Putting these two pieces back together. It's just to make it a strong base. You could really do with sitting something on that for a while, but I don't have time for all of that. So, I didn't have a base, now I've got one. Hang on. No, I like that. Like that. And I might. Yeah, I like that. Okay. But I'm going to glue this on with hot glue as well as, let me just mark. I'd imagine that and that bit are going to be the two main bits. It will stay. It will stay. I want it going up like that, you see. Is my glue gun's ready? Now that's just to hold that down. What I'm really going to do now is to pour in some normal glue. It will glue it down, it's no problem. And it's going to get covered in moss, some of it. And then it obviously overnight this will dry. And I'm just going to fill some of this in. And that will do. I've done these before, so I know that's going to be fine. You pour it in where it'll go. And where the two pieces will stick together. That will be fine, and that will dry. Okay, so now that's a little bit thick for me, so I'm just going to add a touch of water. It's what I do is I usually have a bottle and I tip half and half in. So I'm just going to use this. Get my bag of moss. It is a bit of a messy job, but it's great when it's done. Now I used natural moss because it's a great way of, it dries nicely once it's all in place. Are we grouping them together in their own kind or what? I don't know. Now I put plenty on, but it's going to have a little bit of moss around it. So I'm not bothered. I want that turning round the way it's going to show best. Like that, I think. How many did we have? 7. Let's have a look at this one. I look at that. Now it's all shiny, which we're going to do these as well, but we can wait to do them. Sorry, I hope you've been able to see this. I've just stuck one of those in there and we're going to prop that up after, and I've one more. Which I think I'm just going to put in here. Like that. Nice little scene. Nice. Now wait a minute. Just going to push that back. Clear my desk. Oh look, do you know I could just use them as well, couldn't I? Right, these are the bits that I've just cut off. Just as a different flower. There. Like that. Pull that off. Hey. I didn't want to waste them. Let's put one in there, like that. Now, hang on, because I'm not finished. I just want to tidy my desk up a little bit. Because I am like I am, I've managed to find a little black rabbit, and I do want to use him because he's searching about. The undergrowth, and it's a little wooded scene. That's what I should have caught. I might change the you know, change the title to a wooded scene. And I've got this little bird because I do think we need to have a bird on here, and it's landed on top of there, and here's its friend, who is visiting the rabbit. Just there. Now, like I say, when they've all dried out and that, they will be fine. I just it's a cute, very cute wooded scene. And we could have a cat. Oh yes, I'm going to put the cat under there. Why not? And the only thing I wanted that I couldn't find, yeah, we're going to put the cat in there. Like that. Little wooded scene. Was a ladybird. But, not to worry. So I'm going to make one. I'm going to make two, I think. Now, from the little bits that I threw out, all the little beads, let's just see. Oh, not that one, but those two. That was the one that went on something. They're not quite the shape you want, but they'll do. I do have some somewhere, but I can't find them, to be honest. There we go. Like I say, it's just a wee tiny ladybird. And we'll have that on the wood, I think. Like that. That'll do. So, my little wooded scene. And the little bit of grass will cover that. So there you go. I'm going to get the camera down.